We founded Access Institute to make a real, sustainable mental health safety net for San Francisco where nobody would be turned away. And our mission is focused on addressing the #1 reason why people say that they can't get mental health care, which is the cost. Over the past 16 years, Access Institute has provided thousands of people of all ages with high quality mental health care. And we also have therapists placed in 7 public elementary schools.
The students are amazing, resilient, joyful students, but many of them have also experienced really high levels of trauma. And what we know about trauma here at Hillcrest is that trauma has incredibly deep implications for the students that we serve. Oftentimes in the beginning, the student is having trouble making eye contact when they are getting angry. Sometimes they're doing things like throwing chairs around the room, screaming, kicking, biting people, because they're really just trying to figure out how to deal with these big emotions. So Access Institute sends therapists here to Hillcrest, and I've seen some of the most amazing transformations come from this really deep, intensive work that Access has done with our students.
With a growing epidemic of mental illness and all the problems related to it, we know we need to do more. And we are working actively to expand our school program, to develop a new program of clinical social work, and to develop partnerships with programs serving vulnerable seniors.
The program is mainly here to help our frail population of seniors stay living at home for as long as possible. Often over the time of their lives, the time span of their lives, they've never had anyone care about their mental health. Oftentimes in the African American community, it can be very taboo to acknowledge that you need help. And it may have never ever, out of the 60 or 70 years they've been living, never ever talked to a therapist. Access therapists are a vital part to our program and to our model of care that we provide. So to be able to now come to a place where they're safe, where they can unload and share, be heard, be validated, and begin the process to healing is a really big deal that I think is very, very valuable to them.
Access Institute is making a huge contribution by training the next generation of mental health professionals. We've trained over 125 psychologists, clinical social workers, marriage and family therapists, in a model that values human complexity, supports socially conscious practice, and promotes lasting change. And these passionate professionals are all out there working and serving the diverse needs of California. We don't take any government funding. Most of the support comes from individuals, San Franciscans. We couldn't do any of this without the support of our donors. And we are literally saving lives. About 30% of the people that come to see us are currently suicidal or have made past attempts. Because we can work flexibly and as intensively as necessary, we almost never have to send people to the hospital. Our treatments work, people get better.